Lattice multiplication is one of the most simplest multiplication method ever. In this method, this is exactly what you are going to do. You are going to draw a creek, also known as lattice, like this. We write 35 on top of this lattice like this, and make sure this 3 takes this column, then 5 takes this one. You write 17 also by the side. You write 17 by the side, 1 and 7. Also divide it into 4 equal parts. This part is for 1, this side is for 7, this side is for 3, this side is for 5. Now draw a diagonal from here to touch this side. Also draw a diagonal to touch here. Draw a diagonal. So now let's start. 1 times 5 is 5. You write 0 here because it's 0, 5. Then 7 times 5 is 35. Now you write 5 here and write 3 on top. 3 times 1 is 3. Write 3 and write 0 on top. 7 times 3 is what? 21. You write 1 here and write 2. This 2, let me use this one to explain. 7 times 3 is 21. This is the one you write. You know, when you are multiplying 7 times 3, instead of saying you write 1 and carry 2, you do what? You write 1 here and write 2 on top. This is 21, and this one is units based on place value. Based on place value, this one is units, and this 2 is what? 10. So the 2 is bigger than 1 in terms of place value. So you carry 2 to this side. Now the next thing is to do what? Take 5 diagonally. You add diagonally, add like this, add like this. Then this is 5. You write 5. Add diagonally. This is, you add 5 plus 3 plus 1. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. You add this one also. 0 plus 3 plus 2. Then 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. This is 0. There is nothing here. So the answer now is 595. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Thank you and bye for now.